Hi, we're going to be making some steamed milk buns today, one of our favorites. So let's get started. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of water and you're going to add it into 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it together. And then we're going to pour it into 1 cup of warm milk. You're going to stir it a little bit before adding in your yeast. Make sure that dissolves. Just set the yeast aside for about 10 minutes. Now you're going to sift 2 3/4 cup of flour into your bowl. Once that's ready, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of the baking powder. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to add in our yeast mixture slowly into our flour. I'm going to start up our mixer on a very slow speed and I'm going to pour in the yeast very slowly. I'm going to let that mix a little bit before I add more. So we're going to mix it for about 10 minutes. And once it starts to get ready, you'll see the difference in the dough. This looks like it's ready. I'm going to make sure everything is properly mixed, so I'm just going to knead it for a little bit. I'm going to cover it up and let the dough rest for about 3 to 4 hours. That looks about ready. So let's take it out and then we're going to shape the dough into a log and cut it up. I'm going to start by dividing it in half. Just put away the dough. And continue shaping this and kneading it for a few minutes. About 3 to 4 minutes should be fine. Now we're going to cut the dough into small pieces. If you want to know the exact weight, 1.5 ounces is pretty good. We're going to roll each dough for about 1 to 2 minutes. Shape the dough into a little ball. And what we're going to do is let it rest for about 30 minutes. I'm going to add in 1 cup of water into our pot. And I'm going to put a plate of the buns ready to get it steamed. I'm going to let it boil a little bit and close the top. Let it sit there for about 8 to 10 minutes and this is what it should look like. So enjoy your steamed buns with some condensed milk. It's the best way to eat it. And thanks. Like and subscribe to my channel.